Good afternoon, my dear student. Today the rational number is the unit. So in before class, I will tell the properties of multiplication of rational number. So you know the addition and subtraction of rational number. So same that now you will study the multiplication of rational number. This is also very easy one. In multiplication of rational number, it satisfies the closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, so everything. And additive multiplicative inverse is everything is already explained that. So now you go for the exercise 1b. First sum, find the value of each of the following products. So just you find the value. So 3 by 7 is one of the rational number, is multiplied with 4 by 5 is the another rational number. Two rational number will be product, you get the value. So 3 by 7 into 4 by 5 is equal to, the numerators are multiplied numerator and denominators are multiplied with the denominator. This is the way to multiply the rational number. So 3 4s are 12, 7 5s are 35. So this is the value of the question. The third subdivision, minus 1 by 2 is multiplied with minus 9 by 8. So minus 1 by 2 is multiplied with minus 9 by 8. Minus 1 into minus 9 by 2 into 8. 1 9s are 9, 2 8s are 16. In minus, the 2 minus will be multiplied, means answer is plus only. So in this multiplication, the sign will be changed. In smaller class itself you will study that. In multiplication, the two signs are same, means the answer is plus only. For example, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus. But one symbol is different, another symbol is different. That means 1 plus 1 minus means the answer will be minus. 1 minus 1 plus means the answer will be minus. Now minus into minus plus. So answer is 9 by 16. The fourth subdivision, 21 by minus 2 is multiplied with minus 4 by 7. So 21 into minus 4 by 2, minus 2 into 7. So you multiply the number, 21 into 4 you get 84. This 21 is plus, so plus into minus minus. Minus into plus, minus, 2 7s are 14. The 2 minus in the numerator and denominator means cancelled in the numerator and denominator, commonly the minus. So answer is 84 by 14, but 84 and 14 in 2 table you cancel that. 4 times 8, 4 2 times, 14 7 times. Again 42 by 7, common table is 7, so 7 table 7 1 time, 42 6 times. So answer is 6 only. 6 is one of the rational number only because the denominator is considered as 1. The another way the same answer will came. 21 is into minus 4 by minus 2 into 7. So you see that everything is multiplication and division, means the common numbers will be cancelled in any way. So 7 table 21 cancelled in 3 times. In 2 table 4 cancelled in 2 times. So denominators both are 1 only. So minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So minus minus cancel, answer is 6. So this is the one of the way. So anyway you will copy down the sum. So last one, 8th subdivision, minus 35 by minus 18 into 8 by minus 15. So minus 35 into 8 by minus 18 into minus 15. This 8 and 18 are cancelled in 2 table. In 2 table 8 4 times, 18 9 times. In 5 table you cancel the 15 3 times, 35 7 times. Now minus 7 into 4 by minus 9 into minus 3. No other common tables for numerator and denominator. So multiply this. 7 4s are 28. So minus into plus, minus 28. Minus 9 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 27. So the answer is minus 28 by 27. So the next one, 10th sum, 14 by 25 is multiplied with minus 100. Like this means this one is considered as numerator only because the single number will be given, means the denominator is always considered as 1. Okay, the 14 into minus 100 by 25 into 1 you consider. So 25 and 100 will be cancelled in 5 table, 25 5 times, 100 20 times. Again the 5 table, 20 will cancel in 4 times. So 14 into 4 you get 56. Plus into minus minus, the denominator having 1, so no need to write the denominator 1. So minus 56 is the answer. This is the first sum. Second sum, verify the commutative law of multiplication for the following pair of rational number. Okay, pair of rational number is given. You will verify the commutative law of multiplication. So the two number will be given. two rational numbers. Commutative law of multiplication is a into b is equal to b into a. This is the commutative law of multiplication. First you consider that this one is a, that this one is b. LHS you take a into b. So a consider 11 by 13 into minus 26 by minus 55. You will write 11 into minus 26, 13 into minus 55. In 11 table 11 1 time, 55 5 time. In 13 table 13 1 time, 26 2 time. So 1 into 2, these two minus are cancelled in numerator and denominator. 1 into 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5. So answer is 2 by 5. The next one, right hand side you take b into a. First you write the b number and the a number. You cancel 11 table 11 1 time, 55 5 time. 13 table 13 1 time, 26 2 time. These two minus are cancelled in our numerator and denominator. 2 into 1 by 5 into 1. 2 1s are 2, 5 1s are 5. So 2 by 5. Both LHS and RHS having the same answer. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Next one, third sum. Verify the associative law of multiplication for the following groups of rational number. Okay, 3 number will be given. So associative law of multiplication means the formula is a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Only the brackets are changes. First of all, you consider let a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to take a number, 3 number. First you find the LHS, left hand side, a into b into c, everything is substituted. The next one, so inside of the bracket, first you multiply that 7 minus 7 into minus 1 by 4 into 2, minus into minus plus, 7 1s are 7, 4 2s are 8. Now you multiply the remaining, minus 3 into 7 by 11 into a, 3 7s are 21, minus into plus minus, 11 into 8 you get 88. So answer is minus 21 by 88. You taking the RHS right hand side, a into b into c. First you multiply the first bracket, first difference, minus 3 into minus 7 by 11 into 4, minus 3, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21, 11 4s are 44 into minus 1 by 2, 21 into minus 1 by 44 into 2. So equal to minus 21, 1 into 21, 21 plus into minus minus, so minus 21, 2 into 44, 88. So already you know the LHS also the same answer, therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence verify the sum. Next one, fourth sum, find the multiplicative inverse of each of the following. So multiplicative inverse is very easy only. So multiplicative inverse, already I tell that reciprocally you change the number. Numerators are converted to denominator, denominators are converted to numerator. Okay, the first one minus 1, multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1 itself, because 1 is nothing but 1 by 1. So you change the numerator and denominator, means again the 1 by 1 will change. So numerator is 1 only, but the sign is not changed in the multiplicative inverse, only additive inverse only the sign will change. Okay, my 5 by minus 7, multiplicative inverse of my 5 by minus 7 is minus 7 by 5. 3 1 by 4, mixed fraction will be given. First you convert into normal. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 4. So 13 by 4, the multiplicative inverse of 13 by 4 is 4 by 13. The next one, the multiplication is given. First you multiply the number. 5 table 5 cancelled 1 time, 35 cancelled 7 time. 13 table 13 1 time, 26 2 time, minus and minus cancel. So 1 into 2 by 1 into 7, 1 2s are 2, 1 7s are 7. So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. So this is today class students. So everyone copy down these first 4 sums. The some subdivisions are I will do. So the remaining subdivisions are homework. Please children, everyone do the homework sum. Not only you copy down the classwork. So homework sums also do in the same classwork note. So I check every note. So everyone copy down this every sum and do the remaining homework sum. Thank you children to watching the video.